Hello, my name is Sebastian Noichl and I'm a product manager at HEIDENHAIN. Today I'll show you how quickly and easily you can retrofit the TD110 tool breakage detector from HEIDENHAIN in your machine. So let's get started. Now we can mount the TD110. First, I connect the cables. Then I call the HEIDENHAIN service department to install the TD110 cycles. The cycles have been installed for me and the TD110 has been configured. The TD110 needs to be calibrated before we can start working with it. A special probing cycle was installed for this purpose. We'll quickly run through the 20 probing points. The TD110 is now ready. The TD110 doesn't need to be taught. You can already use it starting from the first tool. But a test never hurts.